Yeah, go for it.
Rick, the helicopter's here. The helicopter's here. Can you hear it? The helicopter's here, man. They're here to take us away. Mate, the soldiers are here. We'll be alright, Rick. Mate, they're going to take... Mate, before the bomb goes off, let's go. Seriously, dude. Do you want to get out of here or do you want to die? You lost your legs in the first bomb. Come on, man. You can't do this to me. My family depends on you. You coming? You with me? Fucking SAS are up there in the helicopter. Can you hear the helicopter? It's right above us. I think they're going away. Yeah, they went into the distance. I can hear them. They're disappearing, man. Wave your arms. Wave your arms, Rick. Wave them. They might come back. I'll start waving. Here. Yes, they're here again. Let's go. Dude, I'll get you in the harness. They're gonna take us away. They're gonna take us away, Rick. There we go. So lay in the harness. We'll hoist you up to the chopper. Dude, put your legs on that. So, don't headbutt my fucking table. Stop headbutting shit, man. Here, just roll this. You got a fucking pillow, dude. Look. Feel it? It's Fraggle Rock skin. For real Fraggle Rock. Yeah, the Fraggle Rock. How's that? Real Fraggle Rock skin. Can I get you a drink? Can I get you some panani? Raise your hand if you don't want me to teabag. It's coming. Raise your hand if you don't want me to teabag you, dude. No. Raise your hand. He won't raise his hand. Oh, there's that. Can we just text Bron to say you're just resting?